Enjoy Home Remedies brings you how to use aloe vera gel for face and hair. Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel. Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel is simply amazing. In fact, once you try it, you will be hooked. Yes, it's that good. It is 90% pure and it works great on your skin. It is naturally hydrating and provides hydration for your skin, making it soft and supple. Aloe vera will keep you looking fresh all the time. We will now explore 10 benefits of using Patanjali Aloe Vera on your face and hair. Number 1. Makeup Remover. There are many effective products that will help you remove makeup, but aloe vera is a great natural way to clear your face of makeup. You need to mix a bit of aloe vera gel with glycerin, and this mixture will remove your makeup completely. Your face will be clear and your skin will feel fresh. Number 2. Dark Circle Eye Mask. Pandas are very cute animals that you just want to cuddle at first sight, but when you look in the mirror and look like one, it's no longer cute. Having dark circles, baggy eyes and puffiness can be a real bummer. You probably use concealer, and it does a good job, but you can actually treat dark circles with aloe vera. Simply apply Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel under your eyes and let it soak in. You can also add some of the gel to a tissue and place it over the affected area. Number 3. Pimple Remover. Aloe vera is a really good remedy for pimples. It will help dry them out, fade scars, and heal the area. If you've never tried this before, don't delay. Apply a little bit on your pimple, but make sure that your fingers don't touch the pimple. Then once the pimple vanishes, you can apply more Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel on the scar. Number 4. Face Wash. Using soap on your face is probably the worst thing you can do. It can dry out your skin and leave residue. Instead, use aloe vera gel as your regular face wash. Just apply some water to your face, then wash with aloe, and then rinse it off with water. You will love the refreshing feeling. Number 5. Hair Gel. Believe it or not, you can even use aloe vera gel as a hairstyling gel. Isn't that amazing? It works quite well and locks hair in place, but be sure to add a little bit of hairspray as a final touch. Number 6. Night Cream. This is a fantastic way to wake up with glowing, replenished skin. Let Patanjali work its magic. Simply apply aloe vera, much like you would any cream, and then lightly massage it into your skin. It will work wonders for your skin while you sleep. Get ready to notice the amazing change when you wake up. Number 7. Shaving Cream. You probably never would have thought of this, but you can indeed use aloe vera gel for shaving. Some beauty pros even swear by it. Simply apply some to your face and start shaving. Note that you can also use this method on your legs as well, or anywhere else on your body. This natural alternative also doubles as a soothing aftershave. Number 8. Natural Mouthwash. Aloe vera makes for a great way to rinse your mouth. Your gums will benefit from its natural antioxidants, antibacterial agents and antiviral properties. It should come as no surprise that you can easily get rid of bad breath as well using aloe. Mix some aloe vera with some distilled water, add a tablespoon of baking soda and a few drops of peppermint essential oil. Just be careful not to swallow. Number 9. Dry, Damaged Hair Mask. An aloe vera hair mask can work wonders on your hair. You really won't believe it until you try it. If you have straw-like overprocessed hair, apply some aloe to your scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes and then rinse it off. Repeat this process once a week. This will help strengthen growing hair, and it will calm irritated, itchy scalp. If you bleach your hair regularly, this is a must. Number 10. Leave-in Conditioner. You can use aloe vera gel to leave your hair feeling nice and soft. To do this, apply some to your hair and massage it in. Do note that this is most effective after shampooing it first. Because sweat can cause the gel to run into your eyes, it is best to avoid athletic activity for a few hours after application. Many people put the gel on their hair just before they go to bed. What are your favorite ways to use Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you think what you've learned in this video is useful, please slam that like button and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and don't forget to press the little bell.